the meaning of immutable is, for example, when you say string s is equal to Ahmad. Okay, what he do? He define s, and in the memory he says
Ahmed.
Right? Now, if I say s is equal to Ali now, what he will do? He will not change here. He will delete this memory and he will create a new memory, and then he will put Ali here. Understand the point? This is the meaning of immutable. Means once you create the object, you put some bayana, but then you cannot change the bayana. But we change. Okay? So why it is allowed? Because Java knows string you will use Katir. Okay? So when you do something like this, you think that Java is changing the value here. No. Java delete this memory and he creates a new one. Okay? Java knows that you will be using string Katir. That is why this shortcut way he gives you to use. Okay? Now what is the meaning? Normally when we create the object, how we create? We say string s1 is equal to new string. Huh? This is what we do normally. And suppose we write Ali here. Normally we create object like this, but for string we are not told like this. So this is allowed by Java. Why? Because Java knows you will be using string a lot in when you are coding it. So this is the, you can say, a shortcut way of creating an object and putting the value inside it.
Direct على
Yes, alatul, the object is created and the bayana ends. Now you find some sawal comes like this. For example, if you say string s2 is equal to Hassan, string s3 is equal to Ali. Okay. Now this is very important for you to understand. See, these two string and one more. Let's make it string s4 is equal to also. Now we need to understand how many objects are created. This type of sawal usually comes. When you use, let's first discuss these two. These two have same bayana. Okay. These two have the same bayana. Right? S2 is Hassan and S4 is also Hassan. So what happens? He put two pointer, you can say, but both of them will point to the nafs memory. So Hassan will be saved at one makan. And these two will point to Hassan. It will not be separate memory, because Java knows this has the same bayana. So why to give it a name memory? You understand the point? Different memory. So these things Java do automatically. You don't need to know. You don't need to do it, but you need to know it. Okay. Now, what about this? Here you have Ali and here you have Ali. Here it will be different. Why? Because you are forcing Java to create a new memory. When you say new, it means khalas, you are forcing Java to create a
command.
Yes. Now, this S3 is also another memory. Why S3 is not pointing in? Because of the new. When you kalam aiye share with new, Java will not use this rule. This rule Java will not use. He will give another jadid memory and he will give Ali inside it. Okay? So these are the important points for you to understand. What we understand, strings, they are immutable classes. So immutable means when you create an object, you put some bayana, but then if you change the bayana, he will make a jadid memory reference for it. It will be created just like created a new. Okay? Just like this. This is an example which I gave you. Now this is a Java garbage collector. JVM has Java garbage collector. He will release the memory. You don't need to worry. Okay? So this Ahmad because now Ahmed is deleted. So that memory will be taken care by the Java developer. Is this understand or not understand? Now, so this is some of the misal here. So when you create something, string S1 submit new string, so whenever you say new, you will create Jadid memory. So that is why for the string we don't use this type. We normally say string S equal to whatever. So if you have, for example, 4 string, let's say like this, string S1 is equal to KAU, S2 is equal to same thing, KAU, string S3 is equal to KAU, string S1 is equal to KAU. How many objects created with the address?
الميموري ولا
Yes, in memory.
ولا لا لا تو
2, right? Because
Capital-
these
capital
two have the same value, so it will be saved as one location, and these two will point to the location.
yes.
So they will point to the same. In the same way, memory will be 1, but the pointer will be 2. Okay? In the same way, this S3 and S4 have the same address K. Okay, and they will point to the same. Now, for example, if you say again S4 is equal to Jeddah, for example, so what will happen?
S4
Yeah, now tell me what will happen. S4 is Jeddah. This is S4 is KU, now S4 is Jeddah. So this will be deleted?
yes.
Only the link will be deleted, not this one, because S3 is already pointed. Yeah, so new one will be created and Jeddah will be
yes.
okay. So these are explaining. Okay, I'm getting it. Alright. So when we want to create a string, normally we use this type, right? We say string message welcome to Java. Now you can do the same thing with this way also, as I discussed to you. But we don't use this type, right? And also you can do like this. So these are the 3 ways you can create a string. This is straight away alatul. This is when you create an object and then using constructor you hits the banner. And this is a string without any banner. Okay? Now, a string is a class. So it has so many methods available which you can use to do lot of things. Like this is all written like welcome to Java. If I want to ask how many letters this string has, so there is a method module. Concatenate substring. If I want to take out some part of the string,
upper
so 2 upper, 2 lower, I want to make it all small, I want to make it all capital. So all these things I can basically do with the help of the string. Okay. Now also I can compare whether 2 strings are same or not. Okay. So there are so many methods available that we can use in the string class. Alright. Now let's try to understand the thing. Immutable. You see here, immutable, we just discussed this. Immutable means once you create the object, you cannot change the value. But here what we are doing, we are changing the value, right? So how the Java is doing this? This is the way how we do. So when you say string S Java, so he create a reference S and he point to the memory, and in the memory he saves Java. Okay? But when you say S is equal to HTML, so what he do, he delete this memory and he create a new. Just I discussed these things, right? So he create a new memory and then HTML is saved in that memory. Okay. Okay, so this is happened in case of string. He don't overwrite. What he do, he delete the old memory and whatever bayanat is there, he all delete and then he create a jadid. Okay. Now again, this is again in the examples here. This type of question generally come in the Ikhtibar. They give you a string like this and then they ask this, show the output. What is the output of the barnamij? So if you remember the things what we are discussing, you can easily answer. There is no problem. So you can see here S1, what is module in S1? Welcome to Java. And S2, welcome to Java. S3, welcome to Java. So all the three strings, they have same bayanat, same value. But there is a difference. Because here you said new. When you say new, he will create a new object.
Separate
Object. Now these two, S1 and S3, you can see here they are pointing to one memory. Why? Because Java knows these have the same value. So why to give another memory, two different memories?
Same memory, but pointer.
Yeah, the pointer will be
Two pointer.
different name, but the memory is the same because it has the same value.
Yes.
So here it also have the same value, but because of the new, you force Java to create a Jadid memory. So that's what it is here. Now when you write these statement S1 is equal to S2, S1 is equal to S3, what is the answer you will get? And these type of questions generally comes in the exam. So when you use equal operator, here what we are using equal operator. So equal operator in case of object, he checks the address.
Value.
Address, not the value, not the bayanat. The address.
Index هذا.
The address, because this has some address, this has some address. So in this one, S1 is equal to S2. This S1 has this address and this S2 is different address. This is a different address. This is a different address. So the first
False.
statement you will get false. But when he says S1 and S3, S1 so S3,
Same address.
because they have the same address. Whatever address it is. Suppose the address is 30, this one, and this is 40, for example. So S1 and S3 both are looking to the same memory. So S1 and S3, they are true because they have the same address. But S1 and S2 or S3 and S2, you will get the answer false because the address is different. S3 is this address and S2 is this address. Okay? This type of question generally comes in the exam. Okay? And this is the animation. So you can see this is a Jadid and this will point to the same memory. Okay, now we will talk about the methods. These methods are already available in the string class. You don't need to write.
Ready.
Already ready. But you need to know
How use.
how you use, where you use, which method will be used where, what he will give you back.
When use.
Yeah, when to use this method. So these things you need to now know.
How many methods are there?
There are lots of methods. They are all related to the string. Okay, let's try to see one by one. So suppose in S1 you have welcome and in S2 you have welcome. Both have the same
Word. Bس
word,
not letter.
welcome and welcome. So as a human we know welcome means welcome, right? Marhaba. But when you use S1 dot equals S2, what answer you will get here?
For example.
Yes, S1 dot equals. So when you use equal, he check the bayanat. When you say S1 equal S2, he check the reference or the address.
Address, yeah.
So don't forget this. In the exam, you will find very simple question. But if you forget that equal means he will check the value. And equal means he will check the address. So this will give you false and this will give you
False.
It's true. This will also give you false.
False, yes.
Why? Because of this capital W.
Yes.
Capital W is different and small w is different in Java. Okay?
Yes.
So the bayanat meaning is the same, but because of the capital W, it will give you false.
Correct.
So if there is a method available, equals ignore case. If you use this method here instead of equals, if you write equals ignore case, then he will give you true. Why? Because ignore case means don't see the capital and small. Capital and small consider the same. Okay? So that is why in this case here you will get false, but in this case, okay, the example is not given. Anyway, so if I put here equals
ignore
case, if I put this, then I will get the answer.
Same word, no capital, small, كله.
Yes, yani here W which is capital and here W which is small.
No problem.
He shuf nafs. But when you use equals, then he see this capital W is different and this W is different. So he will give you false. He will say bayanat mafi sawa sawa. Okay, because of the capital W. Okay, and here he checks the address, not the bayanat, not the value.
False.
So here he will give you false because this has a different address, this has a different address.
كله false.
Tamam? Now compare to. This is another method موجود in the string class. Compare to. Compare to is used to compare two strings. Which string are bigger? Okay. So for example, if your name is starting with A, someone name starting with B, so he converts the ASCII key value and he basically tells you which one is bigger. So for example, when you sort from A to Z,
Order.
so we give you all the names with A, then B, then C. Because A names are smaller, B has higher value, C has more higher. So when you sort in ascending order, tertib in ascending order, all A name will come awal, then B, then C. Okay? So this is what he do. So if S1 is bigger, yani if suppose you have boy and here if you have, for example, something with A, okay, so you will get the answer as in positive value. If S1 is bigger than S2, you will get something bigger than 0. Okay, he will calculate and give you something bigger than 0. So this will be true. So you will say S1 is bigger. Otherwise, if he give you equal, if he give you 0, it means sawa. For example, Ahmad. So Ahmad and Ahmad is the same name. Okay. So he will give you here answer 0. This method compare, he returns a value. This value may be greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. When less than 0, it means S2 is bigger. When it is greater than 0, it means S1 is bigger. And when it is 0, it means both strings are same. Okay? Just like, for example, if I write here W, now both strings are same. So he will give you here this answer. This answer will be Sahih. Because S1 Majud welcome and S2 Bardo Majud nafs letter.
Same nafs.
So when he converts into the ASCII, he will get the same value. For example, Mi Ashrin. So Mi Ashrin for welcome and Mi Ashrin for welcome. But if it is capital here,
change.
So here he will give, for example, Mi Atlatin, and here it will give Mi Ashrin. When he will nagis Ashra. Ashra is more than 0. So he will kalam S1 is greater than S2. Okay? Alright, now length, char, add, concat. This is very important method. These methods are very important.
That length of word, نفسه
Yes,
value.
length means how many letters you have. So for example, in the string you have welcome. So when I say message.length, now you see there is a method here, length. In array also you have length.
How many rows?
But bidun hada.
بدون قوس.
Bidun gauss. But here it is gauss because it is a method in the string class. So here he gives you saba. Saba means saba letter. So it's very easy. You will
Start 0 ولا?
Start with, but total you will count 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. He saved starting with 0, but when he count 1, 2, 3, 4.
يعد الحروف كمان.
إيه.
Okay, now this misal will help you to understand. For example, if you say message.length, message is this. This is the message. Welcome to Java. So he will give you the index starting with 0 and up to Arvatash. Now this space also has an index. Tamam? So when you will say message.length, Arvatash plus 0, Arvatash.
Calculate it.
Yes. He will count and he will tell you the answer. Now what is char add? Char add to know at particular index what is the character module. So for example, when you say char add tamania, so he will give you T.
Specific.
Yeah, specific harf module at index. So this is what is character add. Now concat is what? Combine, join two string. So you can use the plus sign or you can use the concat method. Both have the nafs. So when you say S1 dot concat S2, what he will do? He will combine both the string.
Together.
Yes, so suppose S1 is Ahmad, S2 is Zahrani. So when you say S1 dot concat S2, you will say Ahmad Zahrani. All one word, without space. And nafs, this plus will do. Okay, S1 plus S2 and S1 dot concat S2 nafs. So this sometimes this comes in the akhtabar. They give you this and they say, okay, write concat statement. Write concat statement for this. So they will give you S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 S5. Now write this statement with the help of concat. So it's easy. You say S1 dot concat S2 and the result of this and the result of this
Calculate with the
concat with S3 and the result of this concat with S4, result of this concat with S5. Okay, so this and this have the same meaning. Substring, this is also very important. Lazim one sawal come from substring. Substring means you want to take out some part of the string. So for example, you have names, Alf name, Muhammad Gaitani and Hassan Gaitani, and so you want to know all the Gaitanis. Or
Family
you want
was-
to take out.
search by family.
Yeah, search by family name. For example, I want to take out some harf, for example, or some words. Okay, so substring is used to take out some word from your string. Okay, so let's try to understand. And it has two methods. Fi-iterate method. One only you give one index, and in another one you give two index. Now, what is the difference? We need to understand this. See, this and this. So you have welcome to Java. I want to write welcome to HTML, for example. So I want to shield Java and I want to put HTML. So substring will be used now here. So fi-iterate method. When you give 0 and 11, it means what? Starting index
0.
and he will go up to whatever you give 1 minus. And here I give Hidash, so he will go up to Ashraf. Okay, so that means what? He will take this whole string, he will take it. Okay, so from 0 to Ashraf. So all this is considered as now one string. And then you use plus HTML. And all this you save in S2. So what you are saying that take out from S1 all the string, all the harf starting with 0 to Ashraf. So S1 is this. So he will read from 0 to Ashraf and he gets his space. And then he will concatenate HTML. So this whole string is in S2 is welcome to HTML. Now what is the difference between this? When you say Hidash, okay? When you say Hidash, it means he will read from the given index till Akhir, whatever Akhir it is. So he will read all the letters. Okay, so for example here it will be what is the result of this? Java.
Java.
So you will start from the 11 till
And the last.
last. So you are not saying that this is the last, but he will basically automatically calculate the last. But here, very important point which most of the students forget in the exam, this Hidash does not mean this also included. Hidash means Ashra, one less. Okay? So he will read all the letters up to 10 if you put 11. If you put 7, then he will read up to 6.
يعني هذا تشينج وورد بس مثلا هذا أو طباعة.
No, there are so many things you can use with the substring. It's totally depend on your barnamage and how you are thinking. Okay? Two lower, two upper, trim. These are very easy methods. Let's try to see this. Two lower. Two lower means he will make all this small letter. And W, which is capital, will become small. This is very easy, not difficult. In the same way, two upper, he will make it all, you see, capital. Now trim. Trim sometimes comes in the exam. Trim means shield the magaz. Space. So you see here, welcome, how it's written. There is a space here and there is a space here. So he will remove these spaces. So when you say dot trim, trim means remove. So he will remove the space from the beginning or from the end, but not in the middle. In the middle, he will not remove that because middle means the part of the string. So he will remove the beginning spaces if you have any, or the end spaces if you have any. So he will remove that. So your string will be welcome without magaz, without space. Now replace. Again, what is the meaning of replace? Change.
Change.
Right? So replace means you again replace has a different method. You can see here. Replace when you say E with A. So he will go to this string and wherever he find E, he will replace with A. So E and E modules here. So it will be A and A. So E will be deleted and A will replace with it. Okay. Replace first. This is again another method module in the string class. So wherever he finds the first E, the awal E, it will replace with AE. The awal E, it will be replaced with AB. So you can see here, awal E is this. So this will be replaced, not the tani. So these are very easy method. Now E with AB again. Now here it will replace both because it's not first, it's just the replace. Okay. Splitting means dividing the string. Divide, right? Split means what? Divide. So you can do one thing, like for example, this is a string array, right? And you have a string something like this. You have Java, then hash HTML, hash Perl. You want to take out these string, and you want anything written double hash. You want to put it as a separate string. So what you will do, you will use the method split. You say split hash. So he will show hash. So all this he will put it in 0 location. And then the next, when he see, it will be put in 1. And then next it will be in 2 and so on. Okay? So when you will use the loop here, because this is an array, so he will give you Java, HTML, Python.
Without hash.
Without hash, yes. So sometimes if we have file which contains lots of data, and data is having certain format, okay, so we can pure the data in using the split. Okay, so to pure the data, to make the data more useful, split you can use in those situations. Now again, index of last index of. Now index of, these methods are used to know for a particular harf what is the index. Like char at is used to know at particular index what is the harf. Now index of means you will give a harf and he will tell you what is the index. Okay. So for example, index of W. So he will give you 0. Sir? And in this string, you are trying to show fin module W. So who are returned 0? Because this is module at 0 location. In the same way, if you say index of X, X not module है.